Today we will discuss one interesting concept like undefined. Undefined is a data type. So let's say we will define a variable using let, var or character. But if you don't initialize anything to in this variable, then this a will contain this undefined. So after this let a, if you try to print this a by doing the console.log, so we'll get to see this undefined. So, but if you try to make a addition to a number 2 or any number, then it will be printing as a none. None means not a number. But it will be funny. If you try to concatenate a string, then this undefined will become a string. So this undefined hello is treated as a string. So we can do to uppercase, to lowercase, or any operation what we can perform to a string, we can do that. Also, same way, if if you try to, let's say, undefined a contain undefined, but we try to concatenate with any string, then this b will contain this undefined wall. So this will lead to some kind of nasty bugs or not pleasing to eye messes. Now let's see this example real quickly. I define a variable a without declaring anything. So if I try to print a, then it will showing message as undefined. If I try to add to any number, then it will be message none. So be careful before adding any number, and don't expect a undefined over there. If you try to concatenate with any string, so it will be undefined high, so it will be treated as a string. So just to show it is a pure string, not an undefined, we can calculate the length over here like 12, or we can try to do any string operation as well. Okay, undefined high. So hope you learned something today. Have a good day ahead. Bye bye.